Hello and welcome to Hemsjunction. Swans have only one partner for their whole life. This is a beautiful swan couple I have made using paper mache. It's a perfect gift that you can give to your loved one. I'm going to show two methods to make the swans. Let's check them out. The first method is using cardboard and aluminum foil. Use the aluminum foil as a filler for the swan's body and paste it using the glue gun. Repeat the other side as well. The second method is using paper cutting and cotton. Using Fevicol, paste the cotton on the paper cutting. The first method is easier and the second method gives us lightweight swans as paper mache gets heavy on drying. You may choose whichever method you want. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. Now cover the swans with paper mache. Roll out paper mache into thin layer. Cover the swans and shape it. You may use water to blend and smooth it wherever required. Make the wings. Let them dry. The swans are dried now. Smooth them using sandpaper. Before coloring, apply primer all over. Once dried, color them using pearl white. I'm shading the wings using pearl pink. The swans are ready. You may even keep just the swans as they are, but I wanted to keep them on a base to give the effect of swan couple in water. For that, take a MDF board of thickness 8 mm or 12 mm depending upon the size of the swans you have made. Paint one side with brown enamel paint or primer. This will be the bottom side of our base. Once dried, turn it. On the top side, spread a thin layer of paper mache. Using Fevicol. Create a water effect using a fork or any knife. Stick the swans onto it. Using Fevicol and Paper Mache. Smooth the paper mache around the swans. Create tiny waves of water usually using paper mache. Let it dry. Apply primer all over again. Color it with pearl blue. Once the blue color dries, highlight the water with pearl golden color. Finally, seal the colors using varnish. Our beautiful swan couple is ready. Hope you like this tutorial. Do subscribe to my channel. You can check out my other paper mache designs from the links given in the description box. Do give me your feedback in the comment section, and also if you have any queries, like and share my videos. Thanks for watching.